Today I'm going to show you this really nice twist light. Twist light, yeah, I've never heard about a twist light, and probably you're in the same boat. So what's really a twist light? What can we do with it? So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you a lot of possibilities, how it looks, how you can use that. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. So you can see it comes nicely packaged, nicely protected, very important, so it doesn't get damaged during shipping. And so here we get it, and already to open, it needs a little bit of a twist. So we have to rotate this clockwise here on top. You see already the light, absolutely amazing, but of course this is not how we are using this, is just the packaging. So we are rotating this clockwise here, and then we can lift up the cover, and so we have it here. Absolutely amazing. So if you're looking for a really nice gift, then this could be an awesome thing. It's almost impossible to beat this unboxing effect here. And by the way, to take it out, we have to lift it a little bit from one side so we can easily take it out, otherwise it's really nicely locked in. So of course you get also an instructions manual. Of course that's a little bit bright, so I turn it down, and so you can see already how this works. It's absolutely amazing. So on one side we can rotate it for different brightness, so we can increase, decrease the brightness. And on the other side we can change the light, and not only the color temperature of the white, but we can also change it to a really nice red. As you can see, a red, orange, somehow yellow, and then white, different white color temperatures. Absolutely amazing. This is as beautiful as it gets. And so we can put it just down normally on a desk, on a table, wherever you want. But it comes also with a built-in hook here, so you can just open that. And the hook has actually two parts, and they are connected with a magnet, so we can open that and then even attach it on a larger branch, which usually is not possible when we just have a closed hook. Here we can open this hook and then put it around something and then have it hanging like that. Or you can hook it on your backpack or some belt loops on your pants while you're walking in the dark. There are so many options, and when we are at the lowest brightness we can turn it a little bit more and turn it fully off, and the light is nicely IPX3 waterproof. Here we can see the charging port nicely protected against rain. Also important to know that we can charge and use it at the same time. So if you forgot to charge it, no problem, you can still use it. And there's another very interesting function we can see. We can use this also as a power bank, for example, to charge your phone. And here underneath the hook we have a built-in standard 1/4 inch tripod mount. So we can attach it, for example, on top of a small tripod as an alternate mounting solution. And there's another very special function. It's not even described in the specs, and that's the glow in the dark. So when you have it like that and then turn off the light in total darkness, then that's what you're going to see. Absolutely awesome glow in the dark without using the battery. It's just illuminating on its own. Yeah, definitely perfect for camping, party, romantic dinner, or just sitting outside in the patio and enjoying the evening and the light. Yeah, absolutely amazing. With this thing you will definitely never disappoint. So full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this light, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.